This holiday-shortened 13th trading week of 2013 comes to a close with investors sending stocks higher. Hi, I'm Sayoko Murase. Welcome to the weekly market wrap for March 28th, 2013. The S&P 500, the Nasdaq, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average were all higher for the week in afternoon trading. Crude oil futures are higher this week, trading around $97.04 a barrel on Friday afternoon. Gold futures are lower this week, trading around $1,595.85 an ounce in afternoon trading. In notable economic news this week, the National Association of Realtors announced on Wednesday that the pending home sales index, which is based on contracts that was signed last month, fell by 0.4% to 104.8. Despite this, contracts remained at the second highest level in 3 years. Economists had expected signed contracts to fall 0.2% after a 4.5% increase in January. In corporate news, Gordman Stores announced that fourth quarter profit fell by 22% and that 2013 has thus far been off to a slow start. The company earned $7.9 million or 41 cents a share for the quarter versus $10.2 million or 53 cents per share in the same period last year. Revenue increased by 9% to $202.5 million. Neogen announced that fiscal third quarter earnings increased by 27%, boosted by increased lab revenue from Europe's horse meat scandal. The company earned $6.6 million or 27 cents per share versus earnings of $5.2 million or 22 cents per share in the same period last year. Revenue increased by 14% to $51.1 million. Analysts expected earnings to be 27 cents a share on revenue of $50.8 million. Mattress firm Holding announced that income in the fourth quarter fell sharply on acquisition-related costs. The company said it earned $7.6 million or 22 cents per share, down from $17.4 million or 56 cents per share in the same period last year. Excluding items, the company earned 30 cents per share. Net revenue increased by 37% to $258.2 million, and same-store sales fell by 1.6%. Analysts had expected the company to earn 32 cents a share on revenue of $262.1 million. Landic, a food packaging supplier, announced that third quarter earnings were flat and expected revenue to fall during the quarter. The company predicted fourth quarter income of between $4 million and $4.5 million on revenue of $101 million to $105 million, while analysts expected income of $4.3 million on revenue of $108.7 million. For the current quarter, the company reported adjusted earnings per share of 18 cents and revenue rose 47.26% to $117.9 million. Analysts had expected earnings of 17 cents a share on revenue of $109.51 million. Paychex announced that it earned $144.5 million, a 6.7% increase versus earnings of $135.4 million in the same period last year. Expenses were $368.3 million, 2.6% higher than the same period last year. Revenue was $593.3 million, 4.2% higher than the $569.5 million reported last year. This is the weekly market wrap for Thursday, March 28, 2013. Please join us on Monday for the week ahead market report. This is Sayoko Murase for PassFail.com, taking you behind the ticker.